Welcome back to my channel Swami Vijay, and this is Swami Vijay speaking to all. In this video, I am going to show you how to take attendance while you are taking online classes using Google Meet. So without any delay, let me start the video now. But before I start the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that you can receive latest updates and information the moment I upload videos on YouTube. And like, share and comment on this video. First, you have to log into your Google Chrome and type here Google Meet attendance. So here you can see I have entered Google Meet attendance, and once you select that Google Meet attendance, here you see Google Meet attendance. Click this Google Meet attendance. So once you select that Google Meet attendance, it will take you into Chrome Web Store, and here you can see Google Meet attendance add to Chrome. This is a Chrome extension available free of cost. There may be so many other ways you can take attendance in Google Meet, but this is a Chrome extension. It can easily access to your Google Meet and it can directly take attendance when you are taking online class. So let me add first this to Chrome. It is not very difficult to add this extension to Chrome. To add this extension to Chrome, select add to Chrome. So once you select add to Chrome, it is asking add Google Meet attendance. Give access to this Google extension or Chrome extension. Select add extension. Okay, here you can see on the right side of the screen, Google Meet attendance has been added to Chrome. Use this extension by clicking on this icon. Manage your extensions by clicking extensions in the tool. So let me show you how to use this Google Meet attendance to take attendance while you are taking online class in Google Meet. But first let us pin this Google Meet attendance to the Chrome bar. So select this pin extension. Here on screen you can see right side the extension Google Meet attendance extension is pinned and the icon is tick mark. So now you have to start the online class using Google Meet, and I'll show you how to take attendance. Here also you can directly start the Meet, but let me go in a traditional way of starting a Meet. So let me log into my Gmail account. From Gmail I will start Google Meet. So here you can see left side in my Google account, I mean Gmail account, start a meeting option is there. So let us select that start a meeting option. And once you click the start a meeting option, here you can see the information getting started. Congratulations, if you are seeing this dialog, it means that you have completed the first step to tracking attendance during your Google Meet. Just make sure that you select the tiled layout when you start your Google Meet. First let us know how to use this. So before we start the class, we have to use this tiled layout. So let me first, here you can see on the left side of the screen, this Google Meet attendance is integrated. Now let me start the class. Camera failed because I am recording with OBS screen recorder. So let me click here, join meeting ready. So once I click the join, here again the same pop-up came. Your Meet has started. Please confirm that the following settings are correct before you get going. Your Meet start time is set 12:07 and it is now 12:07. If your start time is not correct, click. So it is correct. So now let me show you how to set this tiled layout. Let me close this. Now here first let me add students into my class. Let me minimize. Okay, so let me add one student and two students, and then let me send mail. So I have sent mail to my students and now they are going to join into my class. So in this way you can start the meeting, and once students join your meeting, this class list, I mean the left side of your screen, you can see the Google Meet attendance will track the attendance of the students. So let my students join into the classroom. Here you can see one student join into my classroom. Let another student also join into my classroom. So once the student join into my classroom, this Google Meet attendance will automatically record the name also whoever has joined into my class. See here you can see the student who joined into my class is with the name Virinchi Swami. And here there are some other options also. You can clear the class list field and you have clear attendance checks. So many options are there. So one student has joined into my class. Now during the class time, the student has to remain in the class. he has to present in the class throughout the class timing. Otherwise this Meet attendance will record that also. So here you can see two students have joined into my class. One is Virinchi Swami, another one is Sunny. So here the information is also there, 2 of 2 participants. So in this method you can take attendance of 16 students. If there are more than 16 students, he asks us to change the grid. So let me first show you how to change the layout. Here you can see I have already selected tiled layout, and if you have students more than 49, then as per his request you have to change the layout of this with another extension. Once you start taking attendance using this Google Meet attendance, you will come to know how to use this Google Meet attendance even for more than 49 students or 50 students or even 100 students also, that you can learn by yourself. So here you can see 2 students have joined into my class. Now after completion of your class, you can download the attendance list. In that attendance list, you can see how many students have skipped your class or changed the class or went off your class at what time. So all those details you can record. All those details will be recorded in this app. So now let me show you how to download the Meet attendance also. Once you stop this class, automatically the Google Meet attendance will show you the list. So let me stop the class now here. Okay, class is over. Virinchi and Yashoda, your class is over. Okay, so now the students have left the classroom. Now let me stop this class. So to end this class, let us press leave class, leave call. Now here you can see on the left side of the screen, the moment I end the class, I received the class list 2020-9-27 as per the date. So let me save in the folder attendance, saved, and you get one more list, class list 2020-9-27 HTML document. So let us save that, and then let me go to the folder where the class list has been saved or stored. So let me close this. Now here is the folder. So here you can see one Excel file and one HTML file. So let me open the Excel file. So here in this you can see, let me zoom it, attendance for class list, names, arrival time, Virinchi Swami, 12:08 he joined, up to 12:11 he stayed in the classroom, 3 minutes duration. And another student Sunny joined at 12:09 and 2 minutes he stayed in the class up to 12:11. That means these students have not left the classroom without your permission in between the class. And what is that HTML? That is also very useful to you. Let me show you class list which is downloaded in HTML format. So let me select that. Now here you can see the attendance list, daily attendance report for class list 2029-27. You can change the name of the class, class list, meet ID, earliest arrival, everything, and names of the students. Once you highlight the student, arrived, shows it arrived 12:08, departed at 12:11, stayed 4 minutes, entries 1. That means the student has entered only one time in your class and the student stayed throughout your class. Next you can see Sunny also, one more student, arrived time, departed time, and how many minutes the student stayed in your class and how many times the student entered into your class. So in this way you can take the attendance when you are taking online classes using Google Meet. So thanks for watching this video, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you can receive latest updates and information the moment I upload videos on YouTube. And always remember, stay home, stay safe, and stay strong. Take care. Thanks for watching this video. If you have come to the end of this video, I believe that you are interested to watch a few more videos related to the topic. So now you can check this out video or watch this one. Click this video, it will take you into another video.